Hey guys, it's Dorothy from Charlie Show, and today is the 18th. Yeah. So, you may, I don't know if you can tell or not, but I am darker than the last time you saw me. I got a spray tan last night for the pageant that's tomorrow, which they wouldn't have seen this video yet. Yes, Mother, can I help you? Okay. But tonight is whiteout night. So we are wearing all white, and we're playing Hoover, which last week we made school history by becoming 4-0, which so proud of my Eagles. Love them the most. What? Oh, I'm killing me, y'all.
Come back out here when you're done.
Okay. But we have kind of, Hoover's kind of like one of the best teams in our region, conference, or whatever. And so I'm going to kind of explain how big tonight is. So, tonight's really big because, first of all, last week, y'all didn't get to see it. I was stupid and forgot to, or didn't film last week. But we became 4-0, and we beat the Vestavia Hills Rebels, which, that's big because their coach, that was his last season coaching, and we beat them, and so we were so happy, and we were, oh crap, we play Hoover next week. It's going to be a big game. So, yeah, sending all the luck in the world and all my love to my Oak Mountain High School football team. I love y'all so much, and I can't wait to see what y'all do tonight. But yeah, I'm so pumped. I'm getting ready. I'm just kind of wearing this Simply Southern t-shirt and these jean shorts and then Tevas, and then yeah. But I'm so excited because my boss is coming, and y'all will see her in a minute. But shout out to Amanda. She's my boss's boss. Yeah. But you'll see her tonight. She's super cool, super fun. So yeah. Hoover, you gotta watch your back. The Eagles are coming for you. So. And also, I don't know if I'm gonna do my makeup or not, because I'm tearing out on sweat. But, oh well. Hey y'all, so we're at the game, and I'm gonna show you kind of like a couple of things sections of like 3 of them. I don't know, it's like really weird how it is. So, this is the stadium. This is my photography partner, but it feels very weird in here. It's a baseball stadium now for one reason.
I wonder how they like fixed it all up.
They just cut off things, but alright. I'm gonna let y'all see our seniors. Y'all ready? Here we go!
Katie, who's the cheer captain? Hey, tell your movements to be over on y'all right now.
Yes, sir! Charlie and Show, what's up? Yeah! I love Oak Mountain! Let's get sexy! Let's get sexy! I'm so proud. I'm so proud. I can get. Yeah, woo!
Anyway, my friend here. Hi, I'm Mary! Anyway, yeah. Hoover, you gotta watch your back. I'll come at y'all at halftime. I'll be doing it again sometime. So, but y'all, anyway, sorry about that. My friends were being annoying and wanted to say hi.
Hi, YouTube.
So,
Hi, YouTube.
Yes,
Hey,
on the channel now. Are we on
That's
the
it.
vlog?
So, see you at halftime. Or sometime before or after. I have no clue. Y'all, so
Your sophomore attendant is
it was halftime, and we're down 21 points.
Your attendant
Yeah.
is
Love that. But you know what? Gotta push through for our Eagles.
We're gonna come back.
Yeah, baby.
We're gonna come back.
I have faith in Evan Smith, but he is gonna bring us to victory. So I'm gonna show you the student section real quick. So y'all don't wanna take a picture of me. I don't know.
Hi.
Talk.
Where do I look?
Here.
Here. What do I want to say? We're down by 3. Hey guys. Go Eagles. Okay, so we're well, no, we're not winning right now, but we will be, and we're gonna win. So I just want to say hey.
Give a shout out to somebody on the team.
Go Dean and go Aquarius. Woo!
Anyway, I'm about to show. I want to see them. They're pretty crazy. I'll let you get a glance first, then I'll show you. So.
Are you vlogging? You vlogging? What up, Mom? Show back, Braxton. Let me vlogging.
Here.
What's up, Charlie and Show? I'm here with Ella Grace. Lake, big guy Lake over here. He's security. Nobody messes with Lake.
Peter, are you going to tell the vlog about how you peed yourself during the game?
I did pee myself a little bit.
Peter can't taste or smell. Peter can't taste or smell. Zoom in on that. Zoom in on that.
Anyway, so we have 4 minutes left in halftime, so hurry. Hey, can you Trillian? Cut that out.
Outbound man! Outbound man! Outbound man! Outbound man!
Anyway, I'm about to go up and share my friends and let y'all.
Are you vlogging?
Can I be the vlog?
Yeah.
I watch all your videos. Hey. This is so cool.
What's up, girl?
Just go!
Hey, fuck!
Anyway, I'm about to go down and look at the people. Yeah. I'm the vlogger. You say hi? Janie, say hi.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, we're coming back.
Yeah, we're coming back. We're coming back.
Hey, we're going 5-0 and that's on baby.
Final score 42-35. Final score 32-45.
And then we're rushing the field. Yeah, that. Hey, go! That was already in it. That's my forehead.
That's my favorite person in the world! Alyssa!
Hey, well, get me out of this. What are you I'm Riley from SB, and we go crazy if we beat Hoover! She's got the ACT tomorrow! ACT tomorrow, baby!
No. What's your name?
Hey, I'm Hannah. This is Ella. Oh!
Charlie and Scott.
That's it, Scott. You need to back down. Come work out at Club Form Fitness, everyone.
First of all, she needs to know I don't back down. And that is on period. Alyssa! Say hi. But yeah, I'm about to go back in the field, do my job because Catherine's that. But also it's dark now, I'm heading home.
Charlie, do you edit your vlog? Like, how do you get
Yeah, what are you doing on?
So, it's still time, baby. Let's go. Come on, boys. Woo!
sus.
Team anal cavities. Number 9 has a Number 9, you ain't bout it. You ain't bout it, bro. You're not bout it. Number 9. That vlog.
Anyway, yeah, baby.
Alright y'all, so it's fourth quarter. I'm heading home because I have not had it anymore and I can't chance waking up and not being ready for it. So yeah, I'm gonna head home and I'm gonna give you the results when I get it because